Hi everyone, Agustin here. Welcome to Wigs Philippines, the original. Again, my name is Agustin. I'm your wig maker. So for today's video, I'm going to give you a demo of our newly finished 100% customized human hair wig. So ito siya. This one is natural color, virgin hair. Then we color it into this beautiful, tawag nila ito, dirty blonde. Dirty blonde siya. So here's what it looks like. Of course, yung cap construction natin, the traditional Wigs Philippines cap is, of course, this one is fully fitted sa ating client. And of course, we have an adjustable strap. So kahit perfect fit na siya, pwede nyo pa siyang mas sikipan, especially if windy area, like kung nasa beach kayo or nasa cruise ship. And of course, our small logo para subtle lang. Alright, so this is washed. So this is the natural hair texture of the wig. As you can see, it has waves to it. And of course, to better show you what it looks like, syempre sukatin natin. So, here's my current hair. So alam ko sa inyo, nag-aabang ano na yung current hair look. Iba na yung tsura ng current hair ko. And this is what it looks like. So guys, manipis pa rin po. So, I'm not using anything at the moment. Ano lang, tiwala lang. Yes, tiwala lang. So for those of you na may problem sa hair, guys, you're not alone. Lahat tayo na pinagdadaanan yan. So, I'm just going to put on a wig cap because mahaba na yung hair ko. And of course, gusto ko mag-pop yung ating lace or yung yung skin color na anit. Magkaroon tayo ng scalp feeling. So, try natin. So, ganito lang ako magsuot ng wig. So, yung front natin, of course, yung may lace area. And then yung back naman is ito na may adjustable strap. So the way I wear this, hawakan ko dito sa bottom, which is yung may strap area. And then itong lace part, tatapat ko sa aking forehead. And then, hilahin nyo hanggang batok. Ayun. Oop. And then, i-adjust nyo na lang dito sa front. So, medyo nag-slide back yung wig cap ko. So, i-adjust na lang natin. Walang perfect way ng pagsuot agad ng wig. So, you need to practice. Practice, ano sabi nila? Just always practice para maging perfect. Pero wala namang perfect. So, I should say, perfect practice becomes permanent. So, ayan. So, this one a little bit tighter lang sa akin. Kasi nga, this one, hindi ko siya custom size. So, meron pa tayong excess lace. So, it just needs to be cut off if gagamitin na. So, as you could see, ayan, kita yung aking wig cap. This cap is really small sa akin. So, pero try natin nang wala namang wig cap. Papakita ko sa inyo. Mas natural kasi yun sa hairline. So, nakita nyo kanina, meron tayo nung parang nakikita nyo yung skin tone. But look at this, if ever na ganito kayo ka-short ang hair ninyo or wala talaga kayong totally hair, so pag sinuot nyo siya, ayan yan o, tinan mo, mas okay siya. However, nakikita sa loob yung dark hair ko, so hindi masyadong nagpa-pop yung scalp. So this one is not fully fitted sa akin. So again, this one is a customized. So ayan, medyo maliit siya sa akin. So ayan siya. So, by the way, this excess lace is a proof na bago ang wig because all wig shops kayang gumawa ng used hair. Pero of course, para lang mag-guarantee natin sa ating mga clients na bago ang hair, we just need to make sure na meron tayong excess lace here kasi walang gagamit ng wig with this fabric material over there. So, cut nyo lang yan and glueless na siya. So, maliit sa akin tong wig. So, siya, parang nag-slide up siya. I mean, nakaganyan yung wig and then parang gumaganon siya because my head is a bit bigger. But don't worry, hindi naman masisira yung texture ng ating hair. So, right now, ito yung natural texture niya. But if you want to define the curls more, you can use curling iron or just define it using a water. So, ito, sprayan lang natin ng water. And then, yan. And then, crunch it. Para mas ma-define yung curls. So, ayan. Dyan pa lang, konting spray pa lang. Nakikita nyo na agad yung difference. So, ayan no. and then let it air dry na lang. And maganda rin talaga pag nandyan yung curls habang suot nyo na, para mas sumunod siya sa pattern ng ulo natin. Sabi ko sa inyo, dumudulas talaga yung wig sa akin because it's small sa aking ulo. But yeah, no? It looks really nice. So sprayan din natin on this side para mas ma-define yung curls natin. Ayan, it looks really nice. Yan yung sa back, syempre hindi ko na nakikita. Pero maganda talaga pag susuotin nyo siya, medyo basain nyo ng water. Para mas personalize din yung curls. So, di ko nakikita, pero for sure kayo nakikita nyo. So, kina-crunch ko lang, kung yung bottom din. Yan, ganyan-ganyan ninyo lang. Para mas ma-define yung curls. I hope maayos yung nakita ninyo. Pero ang ganda ng outfit ko, di ba? Turtleneck. And, yan. Umawa na yung ating hair. So, this one, natapos natin to for probably around 3 weeks. But average talaga ng paggawa natin ng wig is about 2 to 4 weeks. So, sometimes shorter talaga. But, para lang maset yung expectations ninyo, we set 4 weeks talaga for fully customized human hair wig. And the reason for that is, maraming mga dahilan kung bakit nade-delay ang paggawa natin ng wig or sometimes nag-extend. First reason is that nagkakaroon ng absent. For example, kung sino man yung may task na gawin, for example, the coloring is not available or meron pang ibang tinatapos, doon nade-delay yung ating mga ginagawa. That's why we always set 4 weeks. But sometimes if easier for us na tapusin ang isang week, then you'll just get a notification from us na tapos na ang inyong week. Alright, so again, for a fully customized human hair wig, it's always best to come visit us here in our North Caloocan studio. And of course, it's best na magkausap tayo so that we could be able to discuss kung ano talaga yung perfect hair para sa inyo. Ano yung dream hair color ninyo, dream hair length, and also the texture. Kasi others want curly and others want straight. So iba-iba tayo. And we can also create something that's fully fitted sa inyong ulo. For this one, fully fitted to sa client natin. However, sa akin hindi. Kasi iba-iba rin tayo ng measurement ng ulo. And with personal consultation, we will be able to check ano yung best and ano talaga yung mag-work sa inyo. We do offer fully customized human hair wigs and also human hair topper. But other than that, if ever meron kayong kailangan, it's always free to ask us, so just message us. And also, I'd like to inform you na by appointment lamang tayo. And I only accept one client at a time. Bakit? Because we do offer, I do really take in consideration yung privacy ninyo. Siyempre, ayoko makita kung naman yung hair condition nyo ng other clients. So, yeah, basically that's it for now. And if ever interested kayo in getting a customized hairpiece like this one, please do message us here at Wigs Philippines and I will be more than happy to assist and accommodate you. My name is Agustin, I'm your wig maker, and have a wonderful day. Bye!